how to combine two Instagram accounts into one. So if you want to combine two Instagram accounts into one, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Instagram application. So let me tell you one thing, that you won't be able to combine two accounts, but you will be able to link two accounts. So you can either go with create an account and you can link your account, or you can also go with an existing account. So for example, if you want to go with the existing account, then you can go with the profile, which is on the bottom right, and go with the upper right, which has that three dots or three horizontal lines. Go with the account center and tap on manage accounts, which is on the bottom, and from here you can add your account. So you can go with add account and you can add your Instagram, like other Instagram account, to this account. And once you've entered your login credentials of your other account, then your both accounts, the account that you are using right now and the other account that you are adding, will be combined or linked with your Instagram. So enter the phone number, username or email address and password of the other account, and go with login, and that's it. That's how you can combine your accounts. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.